Black alert. Black alert.
Welcome back, everybody. We are still getting ready to do our preview build of the USS Discovery by round 2. But I'd like to take a moment and I'd like to ask you guys to please subscribe to our channel and please like our videos. Please follow us here on YouTube to kind of see this Discovery build. We're going to try and do most of it through the videos on this channel, and it would go a long way to that if you guys would subscribe to the channel and help us as we make these preview video reviews for you. So yesterday we looked at kind of what we were doing with copper by Tamiya and chrome silver by Tamiya and kind of blending those together to work on the Discovery. I went to my local hobby store today and I was actually very excited to find a paint color called Titan Gold. And this paint color really seems to have a lot of what I was looking for in it. It's not gold, it is toned down. It's to the realm of a silver paint. So first thing I did once I got that is I took our display piece from yesterday, and this was kind of copper mixed with silver. See if I can get that good light there. Yeah. Copper mixed with silver. And what I did is I just did Titan Gold out of the bottle. And I like it. If I had to pick an out of the bottle paint for this model kit, I think it would be this. I think it would be Titan Gold. It's very metallic. It doesn't look like jewelry gold. It doesn't look like 14 karat gold. It's very subdued. It will look silver. It will look yellow. And I like it for the Discovery. Now, while I really like that Titan Gold by itself, I think that we can do a little bit better kind of by mixing it together. So I started with a base of Titan Gold, and I went about 2 parts Titan Gold to 1 part copper, and I mixed that together, and that is what this is. So this entire base coat, that is 2 parts Titan Gold, 1 part copper, and I'm really thinking this will be my base coat. It has a copper sheen to it. It leans towards the yellow family of the golds. It seems to match pretty well with what we've seen out of the Eagle Moss video. And it really kind of plays with the light. It can be very bright. It can be a darker color. And I think it matches pretty well with what we've seen used on Eagle Moss as they kind of did theirs and some of the other pieces of art we've seen. So that's my base coat. Now, I am still using a copper-silver mix for the deeper copper parts. Copper is just too brown, too orange. So these I've cut. That is copper mixed with silver. A little more copper than silver. Probably, once again, probably 2 parts copper to 1 part silver. And then we are still doing some parts just in silver. And I really think that that has worked out pretty well. So now we've got lots of base coats ready for the Discovery. Here is my 2 parts Titan Gold, 1 part copper. Here is my 2 parts copper, 1 part silver. And of course, we'll be using just chrome silver for some of it. Now the next part will really be kind of looking at pictures of the model, planning out what parts get the more gold, what parts get more silver, what parts get more just playing the copper color, and then kind of playing with airbrushing one over the other. But now it's time to be kind of excited. It's time to just kind of wait for us to get that Discovery model kit, start looking at the box art, start seeing what paints the round two recommends. I'm very excited to see what they actually recommend for us on the box. Um, yeah, I think I will, whatever they recommend, I will try and follow what they suggest on the box just so we can see what it's like. But then end up comparing it to what I've done here on this old model. So once again, we'd love to hear your comments about the paint choices we're going with. We still have a bit before we start the build, so if you guys really hate this paint color, if you guys have some really great ideas for what base color we could use, throw it in the comments. Everything's up in the air. So if you have a great paint you'd like us to try, let us know. And please follow the channel. Stay tuned. The Discovery will be coming up shortly.